strong.
So hi guys, welcome back to learnwitharjun and hope you are having a wonderful time. How are you guys spending? I'm always busy calling my friends and playing games, but actually not playing. We are actually creating Unity games. So actually we are creating right now. And today we have a new 2D scratch game. Aren't you guys excited? Well, I am. And this is a platformer game. It's called Squishy Platformer, and you can control the player with the arrow keys and W, A, S, and D. And you can also do mobile controls. And there's dangers where you can die. And there's a elevation system in the game, and it has 6 levels. So I am going to play all the 6 levels. So now I'm going to play the Squishy Platformer game. I am so excited to play with you guys. Are you guys excited? Well, I am so much. So I'm just make it full screen and I'm going to play it. So we can read the instructions first. Use arrow keys to control the player, avoid lava and spikes. And press the basketball thing. We go back and we can play. So as you can see, the backdrop changes and how do I realize that when I do like this, I'm getting squished. That's why it's called Squishy Platformer. I didn't realize lava was there. Jump! I reached the elevation system and I touched the spikes. I should not touch the spikes. Yes, almost. Oh, come on. Can't even make it to the first level. Yes, stop. Yes, done. This is actually the hardest level because it has a thing here and I may occur that you can't jump properly when you are in a slope. Yo, I jumped. And here's the elevation system. And I made this elevation system a bit like that. Go here and whoa! How do I get up here? And why is this thing here? Oh, I got it. That's why the question marks are there. Ha hey. Don't touch the dangers. And next level. This is gonna be cool. How do I get like that? This is gonna be a hard one. I think this is the last one. And I haven't figured out how to get past this because I'm the one who created it and I don't know how to get past it. I got it. If I hold the up arrow, I become smaller. So I think that might be my advantage. How do I get past this? Duh. No. Please. Come on, fast. Yes. Now this isn't the last one. Okay. So the thumbnail appears. So this game was cool. If you like this game, you can post a message in the comment section below, and I will make tutorials of how to make this, and I will tell you something important. If you like this, and if you want to post a comment section below that I like it, I will make more 2D games, and uh, this is for 2D. And if you want to make 3D games, you can check out my Unity intro video. In that, if you like it, you can you can post a message in the comment section below, and there I will teach you how to do 3D games. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please like, share and subscribe.